Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restore the default settings on your PlayStation 5 if you don't want to lose any data. And this is really easy to do. I'm going to show you how to launch your PlayStation 5 into the safe mode menu to do this. Then we can bypass the passcode for the default settings. So my PlayStation 5 is turned on, indicated by this white light. I'm going to hold down the power button, and I will hear one beep, and then I will hear another beep, and this is going to completely 100% turn off my PlayStation 5. Then I'm going to take a USB cable and plug it directly into my controller, just like this, and then I'm going to wait for my PlayStation to completely turn off, and there will be no blinking light right here on the light bar. I can see it's turned off. Then I'm going to go back to the power button. I'll hold this down. I will hear one beep, and then about 10 seconds later, I will hear another beep. And this will launch your PlayStation 5 into the safe mode menu. Then press the PlayStation button on the controller and operate the menu with the D-pad and select with X. Then we can go on down to where it says option number 5, restore default settings. The settings will return to the default values. Are you sure you want to continue? You can go to yes under this menu, and it will reset all the default settings on your PlayStation 5. And this will include the parental settings. Now, if you try to do it when you're actually logged into the PlayStation 5, you will have to type in a passcode. So if I go on down to System right here and select this, scroll on down to System Software and go to Reset Options right here. We have the option to restore the default settings under here, but you have to type in this passcode. And it's 000 by default, and these are all the things that we can restore. Now, if you do it in safe mode, you do not have to type in that passcode, and it will reset the passcode for you. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. More tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.